model, 2011 Citroen Nemo HDi 75 stop and start 660x super low 33k miles, needs a turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 33,660. Engine, 1,248 cc DMJ-A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Straightforward bolt-on job. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999